All right, here is a step-by-step guide on how to buy a car below MSRP in 2024. If you're looking to buy a car below that number, you're in luck. While the past few years, of course, have seen vehicle prices soaring, the market is starting to stabilize, and there are ways to negotiate a deal. So today, let's walk through some key strategies to keep a car below MSRP in today's market. Before you head to the dealership, arm yourself with information. Use websites, Kelley Blue Book, Edmunds, TrueCar to understand the average price people are paying for the specific make and model that you're interested in. These sites will show you if vehicles are being sold below, at, or above MSRP in your zip code. This is great news. In 2024, more dealerships are moving their inventory online, making it easier for you to compare prices across various regions. Expanding your search to dealers in different cities or even states may give you access to lower prices. Some regions may have more inventory or more aggressive promotions, leading to prices below MSRP. Quotes.everymandriver.com is a great place to start this search process. Timing is everything. The best time to buy a car at a discount is the end of the month, quarter, or year. Dealerships have sales targets, and they may be more willing to offer deals as they try to meet their quotas. Also, holiday sales events. Big events like Memorial Day, Labor Day, Black Friday, end-of-year clearance sales often come with incentives and discounts. When new models are being released is also a good time. Dealerships will offer lower prices on current year models when newer versions hit the market to clear that inventory. Manufacturers frequently offer incentives to move their vehicles, especially if a model isn't selling well. So check for cash rebates. These are direct discounts offered by manufacturers. Low or 0% financing deals. Though not directly reducing the MSRP, they can save you thousands in interest. Loyalty rebates. If you already own a car from the same manufacturer, you may qualify for loyalty discounts. Almost never settle on the first dealership. Contact several dealers through quotes.everymandriver.com. Let them know that you're doing a comparison shop and you're asking for the best price. When dealers know that you're serious and considering other options, they're more likely to offer you a deal below MSRP to secure your business. Manufacturers often have extra incentives to move inventory, particularly if a dealer is struggling to move a certain model. So research whether there's a factory to dealer incentive or dealer holdbacks. These are bonuses the dealer gets, which you can use as leverage to negotiate the price below MSRP. Pre-ordering. Sometimes ordering a car directly from the factory can save you money as it avoids the dealership markups on popular models. You can go demo or loaner vehicles as well. These are vehicles used for test drives or given as loaners to service customers. They'll have low mileage but are often sold well below MSRP once they're up for sale. If you have a trade-in, use it to negotiate. Know your car's value and see if the dealership will give you a competitive offer. Also, selling your car privately can give you more cash to put toward your new vehicle, reducing the overall cost. One of the best negotiating tools is the willingness to walk away. If a dealer refuses to meet your price or doesn't offer a fair deal, don't hesitate to leave. More often than not, they'll come back with a better offer when they see that you're serious. If buying below MSRP is challenging, you can sometimes score a deal through special lease offers or manufacturer financing deals. While you might not get the cash discount on the MSRP, you'll get good terms that you can still save you money in the long run. So yes, getting a car below MSRP in 2024 is possible if you stay patient, do your research, and are willing to negotiate. Start by visiting quotes.everymandriver.com. It's a free search engine for the best deals being offered in your area from qualified dealerships. Make, model, zip code. If you don't find what you're looking for in your zip code, expand that zip code. Be willing to travel a little bit outside your area. You could save a few hundred, possibly a few $1,000s on a new or used car by visiting quotes.everymandriver.com. There's also a direct link below this video. Today's video is brought to you by The Cold Plunge. Use discount code DAVE150 at checkout at thecoldplunge.com. Immediately save $150 off your purchase. That's DAVE150 at thecoldplunge.com. There's also a link below this video.